Hello and welcome to Smith's Nissan in Peterborough. Here we have a 2025 Toyota CHR 1.8 VVT XL. It's a petrol hybrid. This vehicle comes with balanced manufacturer's warranty. Extended warranties are available with us. It comes with a multi-point inspection by Nissan trained technicians and a full history check. We can also offer a full range of finance packages to meet your requirements. Let's take a quick look around the CHR. Here we are up front. There is LED headlights, LED fog lights, front parking sensors, and a front camera. Coming down to the passenger side front wheel. This car features 360-degree cameras, privacy glass. Down to the rear wheel. Around to the back, there is rear parking sensors and a reversing camera. Let's take a look inside the boot. Coming down to the driver's side rear wheel. Let's take a look inside the rear. Inside there is half leather, half cloth interior. A USB charging port. This car features a glass roof. Let's take a look inside the front. Inside there is heated and memory front seats. A JBL speaker system. Here we have the infotainment screen and climate controls, wireless charging pad, drive selector, electronic handbrake, a leather steering wheel, down to the driver's side front wheel, and back round to the front. Thank you for watching this video.